In this lesson, we will discuss the various chatbot AI tools. AI chatbots engage in human-like dialogue, generate responses, and assist with various tasks. Okay, time for an AI terminology refresher already. Let's discuss the most well-known chatbot. OpenAI developed a large language model with the chatbot interface called ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a generative AI tool that uses deep learning, natural language processing, neural networks, and machine learning. The most popular AI chatbot is ChatGPT, which is constantly updated and can handle a wide variety of tasks. ChatGPT is my favorite AI chatbot as well, because it has been trained on a vast and diverse dataset, which helps it generate more accurate and nuanced responses. Step number 1, sign up for a free account at chatgpt.com. ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool capable of performing a wide range of tasks. It can engage in natural, human-like conversations, answer questions, provide explanations, and offer recommendations on various topics. To interact with ChatGPT, you simply type in your natural language prompts. A prompt is simply typing a request or question into the ChatGPT message field. Interact and refine. After your initial prompt, continue to engage in a dialogue with the chatbot to further refine your queries or provide more context if needed. For example, ChatGPT responds based on the input it receives. So, the more clear and detailed your requests are, the better the chatbot responses are. Like this example where I ask ChatGPT, "How many miles is it to the moon?" But then I refine the prompt with the follow-up question, "No, I meant from the outer atmosphere." Claude.ai is an AI chatbot developed by Anthropic, with a strong focus on safety and ethical AI use. Claude does not have access to the internet. Claude is designed to be self-contained, only using the data Anthropic provides, and will respond without searching the internet. You can, however, provide Claude with text from the internet and ask it to perform tasks with that content. Why use Claude instead of ChatGPT? Use Claude for content creation and long-form writing. Claude is the best at writing blog posts, letters, emails, and much more content in a human-sounding way. Next, I use Claude for coding, programming, and development. Claude has the highest quality AI coding output scores. Sign up for a free account at Claude.ai. Type in your prompt or request in the chatbot message field and press Enter or Return. For example, write a 1,500-word blog post that is search engine optimized for the keyword Best AI Tools. Gemini, developed by Google DeepMind, integrates advanced AI with robust Google search functionalities. Why use Gemini instead of ChatGPT? Choose Gemini for superior integration with Google's search capabilities and enhanced information retrieval from any website relevant to your Gemini AI search. For example, find YouTube videos with inspiring best man speeches, or suggest a list of the best ranked restaurants in Nashville. Or look at this image of my fiddle leaf plant with a brown leaf. What should I do to fix it? Sign up for a free account at gemini.google.com or sign in with your Gmail email account. Type in your prompt or request in the chatbot message field and click Submit. Llama, also known as the large language model Meta AI created by Meta, is designed for research and offers open access for AI development. Why use Meta instead of ChatGPT? Meta Llama is an open-source large language model designed for developers, researchers, and businesses to build the future of AI. Meta.ai is Meta Llama's chatbot interface. It is similar to ChatGPT, but not as accurate in my experience. Sign up for a free account at Meta.ai or sign in with your current Facebook account. Type in your prompt in the chatbot message field and press Enter or Return. Microsoft's Copilot is an AI-powered digital assistant that aims to provide personalized assistance to users for a range of tasks and activities. Why use Copilot instead of ChatGPT? Microsoft's Copilot AI is basically ChatGPT for Microsoft Windows users. Copilot has an online chatbot, and Copilot is also embedded in Microsoft apps you use every day, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. Sign up for a free account at copilot.microsoft.com or sign in with your current Microsoft email account. Type in your prompt or request in the chatbot message field and press Enter or Return.